Most people think ChatGPT just answers questions, but what if I told you it can literally see through your phone camera or even take control of your browser to create social media posts for your online store? And those are just 2 of the 10 hidden features I'm about to show you in this video. Stick around, because once you see all of them, you'll never use ChatGPT the same way again. The first feature is screen sharing. On the mobile app, you can now let ChatGPT actually see your screen. Just tap the 3 dots in the top corner and select Share Screen. You choose which screen to share, and instantly ChatGPT can view what you're looking at. Imagine you're stuck and want to understand summary of an article. ChatGPT will help you explain the summary of an article in an easy way. Instead of trying to explain what's on your screen, ChatGPT can see it directly and guide you step by step. You could even share a presentation slide and ask it how to improve the design. It's like having a second pair of eyes that always knows what to do next. The next feature is using your phone's camera. Inside voice mode, tap the camera icon and you can switch between the front and back camera. Suddenly, ChatGPT can see whatever you point it at. Hold your camera up to anything and it can tell you, according your decorations pieces, which countries you have visited.
It looks like you visited several countries: the United States, Turkey, and Costa Rica.
You can also show it any product and ask where it came from.
I'm not sure where that specific cup came from, but it looks like it has a Coca-Cola logo on it.
And maybe point it at some items for cooking and ask what recipe can I cook from these items.
You could make a simple dal with the mung dal or chana dal. Cook them with onions, tomatoes, garlic and spices like cumin, turmeric and chili powder. Serve it with rice or roti.
It turns your phone into a direct way for ChatGPT to understand the real world around you. ChatGPT also now has memory and you're in control of it. Go into settings, then open personalization. You'll see an option called reference chat history. When this is on, ChatGPT can remember details from past conversations, or you can manage its memory directly and delete specific things you don't want saved. For example, if you once asked it to help you plan a holiday, it can remember your destination, your budget, and your travel style for the future. Or if you're studying a subject, it can remember which topics you've already mastered and which ones you're still practicing. But if you don't want something stored, you can delete it instantly. This makes ChatGPT more like a personal assistant that gets to know you over time, but always under your control. Sometimes though, you don't want ChatGPT to remember anything at all. That's where temporary chat comes in. It works like an incognito window. Nothing is saved to memory or history. This is perfect if you're brainstorming business ideas and don't want them logged, or if you're experimenting with personal questions you'd rather keep private. While exploring this area, you'll also notice 2 other powerful tools: the ability to search through your past chats by keyword and your personal image library. Search lets you instantly pull up that one conversation from weeks ago without scrolling endlessly. And the image library keeps everything you've ever generated or edited in one place, ready to reuse. Imagine quickly grabbing a diagram you made last month or re-downloading a thumbnail you created earlier. These little tools make a huge difference once you've built up a lot of chats and creations. ChatGPT isn't limited to words anymore. You can create images and even short videos right inside it. Start a new chat, go into tools and choose create an image. Type exactly what you want and in seconds you'll have a custom graphic. It could be a logo idea, a product concept, or even a quick illustration for social media. For example, you can also make a social media post in seconds if you have any jewelry business. Begin by brainstorming a unique angle that sets your jewelry apart from the competition. After uploading the picture of your product, write this prompt and then wait. Make sure to add a creative prompt for a captivating post that showcases your product in a creative way. Make sure you click the image in good quality. Look at this wow. How good is this for social media? For video, open Sora. You can create clips up to 20 seconds long, change the aspect ratio, adjust the resolution, and even build multi-scene storyboards. Imagine generating a quick animated explainer, a concept ad for a business, or a short fun clip for TikTok without touching editing software. And once you've made them, everything stays organized inside your media folders, so you can come back to them whenever you need. For anyone who codes, Codex is a hidden gem. Think of it as an AI programming partner. It can review your code, highlight mistakes, suggest improvements, run basic tests, and even create GitHub pull requests. Say you're working on a website in Python or JavaScript. Codex can help debug it line by line. Or if you're new to coding, you can ask it to explain what a piece of code is doing in plain English, almost like having a personal tutor. It saves huge amounts of time and helps you learn as you go. Now here's where things get futuristic. Operator allows ChatGPT to act inside a browser on your behalf. Instead of just giving you instructions, it can actually click around and do the tasks for you. For example, you could say, log into my Wix Studio website, merge and publish my latest blog draft article, and it will browse, filter, and bring back the results in real time. You could tell it to compare prices on flights, book tickets to a concert, or find you a vacation rental with 3 bedrooms near the beach. You can even watch as it goes through the steps like a digital assistant doing the work for you. It doesn't always get it right yet, but the idea of having multiple tabs open with ChatGPT actively working in each one shows where the future is heading. If you do research, this next feature is a game changer. ChatGPT can now connect to external sources. In the Connect More section, you'll find integrations with Google Drive, Dropbox, Gmail, GitHub, and many others. Once connected, ChatGPT can pull information directly from your own files while answering your questions. Imagine asking, summarize the last 5 client emails in my Gmail, or pull the sales figures from my spreadsheet in Drive. Instead of digging through folders yourself, ChatGPT surfaces the answers instantly, blending its knowledge with your personal data. Here's one that most people completely overlook: custom GPTs. Inside Explore GPTs, you'll find a library of specialized assistants built for all kinds of uses, from design to writing to productivity and more. But you can also build your own custom version. You can give it a name, upload reference files, add instructions, and even set unique conversation starters. For example, you could create a writing assistant that always speaks in your exact brand voice, a study partner that quizzes you on flashcards, or even a personal coach that reminds you of your fitness goals. It's like cloning a specialized AI just for your needs. And once you've made it, you can share it or keep it private. And the final feature is projects. Think of projects as long-term workspaces inside ChatGPT. Instead of starting from scratch every time, you can train a project on your style, your preferences, and your workflow. For example, if you run a YouTube channel, you can set up a project that knows your script format, your intro style, and even your preferred tone. Then whenever you need a new video script, you just give it a title and it produces the script in your exact style. Or if you're a student, you could create a project that remembers your syllabus, your deadlines, and your notes, and then have it generate study guides tailored to you. Projects make ChatGPT consistent, reliable, and far more personal. And there you have it, 10 powerful ChatGPT features most people don't even know exist. Some of them are fun, some of them are futuristic, and some can completely change the way you work. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe for more, and share it with someone who still thinks ChatGPT is just a chatbot. They'll be surprised at what it can really do.